we've got our beautifully tinted glass and it's time to fit it in the cabin. First thing we do, find the inside. Now the inside's the side with film on, so it gets looked after. We've got that the right way up. Then we want to find the top and the bottom. Now that is a perfect rectangle, but it does have a bottom if you're really fussy. There's a little bit of text written on it, and the bottom is the bottom, so the text is the right way up. It's a small thing, but you don't want to have that writing upside down up in the top corner. We put it in the bottom corner. So this is the bottom. And we've got our rubber weather strip, gasket, whatever you want to call it. It has a joint in it, believe it or not. It's made out of one solid piece. And what we do, locate the joint, and we put the joint at the bottom. That way, if it ever splits, there's only a little bit of water going to drip through and run out. If we've got the joint at the top, you're going to get a lot of water coming. So the next job is the secret ingredient, Landcrusier, and basically it acts as a lubricant and it helps the rubber pop into the hole, as well as this inside edge, key itself into the window surround, so that locks the whole thing in. And the way to get the whole thing in is with a bit of cord. Windscreen fitters use cord. I haven't got any cord, so I'm using a bit of electrical wire. We've got our bottom, and we're going to run this cord around the rubber where it fits into the frame in the cabin. For our plan to work, we simply pull the cord, and that's about far enough. Then we come round and we take the other side. Go around it like that, just gently. It's exactly the same process with the quarters, except the labour rate's a lot cheaper. We don't need an assistant. Well, there you go. It is pretty simple and it looks great. I think I'll take a photo for Big Bear Drummond at Northside Window Tinting because he's done a lovely job on the tint. Thank you, Bear. We'll see you next time.